Now, has this ever happened to you? You're typing something on your Android device and you're trying to find the TM symbol, the R in a circle symbol, or maybe the copyright symbol, and you just can't find them anywhere. So you go out there, you ask around, maybe you Google, eventually you find them, but the next time you need to use them, it's the same frustrating story all over again, right? My name is Andrei Mincov, I'm the founder of Trademark Factory, and I've typed these characters probably thousands of times throughout my career. So I decided to shoot this very short video to show you how you can find these characters on an Android device. And here's how you type the trademark and copyright symbols on an Android. You find the app where you want to type, and then you go to the numbers keyboard, and in the number screen, you click on the equal sign right here. And on this new screen, you will find the trademark and copyright symbols. So when you click TM, it will type TM. If you click the R in a circle, it will type R in a circle. And if you type the copyright symbol, it will type the copyright symbol. Very, very, very easy. Now, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, make sure you share it with your friend. And by the way, if you're using a different platform, maybe Windows or maybe an iPhone or an Android device, we have videos for that as well. And better yet, we created a free tool that you can use to access these characters regardless of the platform you're using. It works under Windows, under Mac, under iOS, works with Android, works with any device out there, and it's a free tool that you can access at tmf.rocks/type. TMF stands for Trademark Factory, so tmf.rocks/type. Just go there and use it anytime you need to type these characters. And I'll see you in the next video.